What's happening, everybody? It's Chris with Lone Wolf DIY. Check out my new hats. What do you guys think, huh? A little bit on the small end, though. It says here on the tag, one size fits most, but I guess I'm not most. Most children, maybe. So my buddy Royce lives out in Arkansas now. When he first moved here to Tucson, he had started a concrete and epoxy company. Now, when he moved, he purchased a distribution center that provides materials for this business, and he sold me the company. Well, now that I've moved on from concrete and epoxy, and I'm doing this stuff now, I'm gonna give the business back to him, and I'm gonna travel all the way over there and give him his trailer as well. And we're gonna hang out and chat and bullshit and all that, but I was like, hey man, coming all that way, what do you think about trying out some of this Ubiquiti equipment in your distribution center? And he's like, Chris, that sounds awesome, man. It's gonna work really great with my satellite connection. He didn't say that. He said that his satellite is pretty awful and he actually has to use his LTE off his phone to get any kind of work done. However, I was able to get Ubiquiti stuff to run off of Justin at Art's Pit Stop off of DSL, which I didn't even know they made anymore. So now I want to take this stuff out and see how well it runs off of a satellite connection. But all won't be lost. He's on a waiting list with Comcast to be able to get cable run out to his place, which they've already lied about for 2 different dates now. So now you guys get to see firsthand how corporate America is screwing over small businesses. Monopoly corporate America, Comcast. All right, so I'm super stoked to be getting into this because just like with the Har Bottle guys, we're gonna go ahead and start with the design center build. This is gonna be a little different because he's all the way in Arkansas. But just like I was talking about in the Har Bottle episode, you don't have to be in the same state that you're doing the work. I'm gonna get all of his stuff ready to go right here in Arizona. So I'm gonna get his design center build done. I'm gonna send it to him in Arkansas, and I'll show you guys he's gonna be moving all the equipment around himself to tell me where he wants it. And that way we'll be able to do the auto cable, and it's gonna tell us exactly how much cable we're going to need. It's also gonna tell us the equipment we're gonna need, the price, and the availability. And once we hit purchase, it will all be shipped out right to his place. So now I'm gonna send an email invite over to Royce, and I'm gonna have him join me on my project here and kind of move stuff around and take a look and tell me what he thinks of this layout, and if he wants to add anything or move anything. We're gonna check that out live. So let's do that. All right, everybody, so let's give my buddy Royce a call, and we're gonna figure this all out. And get him all signed up and take a look at what we need to do to get done. Hello?
Hello.
What's up, man?
Not much. How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Just I'm excited to work on your stuff here.
I'll look at these plans, and because number one, that the router and everything that won't go in that back office. That'll go in the I don't know, in move. I move.
Yeah, go ahead and click and drag it wherever you would like to put it.
So that'll probably be, in that office anyway.
Okay. That's good to know. It also is going to automatically adjust our cable and tell us, it'll tell us a new length as well. So, all right, sweet. Is that where your office is? I put your VoIP phone in there.
Oh, which one's the VoIP? The middle one?
It's the one with the little blue screen on it.
That's okay. So that would be coming in new.
Oh, okay.
Is that doable?
Yes. Yep. Anywhere you want to put that thing, you can go put it out in the forest if you want, as long as you have a long enough cable. You can go sit up in a deer blind and make your phone calls.
Could we add more than one phone?
Yeah. Yep. So you can, these Ubiquiti stuff is designed to run like hospitals, whatever. It will scale as large as you need, and all you have to do is add to it. So we're going to be giving you a 24 port switch. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 things there now. And even if you doubled up, that's only 14. And then you have another 10 spots. Yeah. So you should be good. Yeah. Sounds like fun. All right, man. We'll see you later.
All right. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you. Bye. So I'm going to get my gear. I'm going to get my gear loaded, and then I'm going to get in the truck. I'm going to try to find a podcast or two, something to keep me occupied for the next 14 plus hours. And I'll let you guys know from the road how I'm doing. I'll try to give you guys updates and show you what's up, show you the scenery, show you all the problems I've ran into, and it's going to be great. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification in the corner, because I want you guys to see my new videos, and I really want to send out some just whatever I got going on my way. I think it would be a lot of fun. Some of those cool road trip videos, I want to share them with you guys. So make sure to come back and see me. It's going to be great. I can't wait to get this done. I am so excited. If you're a small business owner, if you're a content creator, somebody that needs to benefit benefit from a network that you can control yourself. You don't have to pay anybody to do it. You want to take your business into your own hands. You got to check this stuff out. So thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you guys later, and have a nice day. How long's the trip?
I think it's like 14 hours.